Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm looking so dead this morning. I just woke up. Um, I don't even know what I'm deciding to vlog. I'm not really doing anything big, but I don't know. I just want to show me. I was having a breakdown yesterday, just you know, some YouTube and motivation. And then I spoke to a friend, and yeah, one advice she gave me was to vlog more and just show like me, like the natural me. So I'm just like, you know what? I'm about to resume uni from the Christmas break tomorrow. So today I've got a lot of stuff like am I gonna do them? We'll see. But I've got essays to write, exams to prepare for. I've got to prepare for uni starting tomorrow. So it's gonna be an interesting one. I also don't really watch TV, but again, trying to change my life, trying to change my routine and everything. So just have the TV on. Let me see if I can show you guys. I don't even know what is on. Let me see. Why Wife Swap USA? This is the first time I've seen this show, Wife Swap USA. So I'm not actually not watching it to be honest. I'm just procrastinating from going to the shower and getting myself ready. What time is it right now? It's 10:30 right now, which is I'm not really like your average YouTuber, 7 a.m. up. But I went to bed 4:30 yesterday. So being up right now is actually a miracle. Let's go out of the shower. About to brush my teeth. Which one is the right way? Teeth before shower, shower before teeth. Comment below. Let me see what you guys do. But I'm maybe struggling right now trying to put this with the camera in my hands, but we can make it work. Shower done, teeth done. Just about to make myself look better since I'm gonna be on camera today. I have a lot of hair products. Not a lot, like a lot for a guy, I guess. Today I'm gonna be using a leave-in conditioner. Contour leave-in conditioning, and I'm just gonna comb my hair. I'm gonna give myself a haircut later tonight, so I just need it to be conditioned and healthy. So yeah, looks white on the hands. Oh damn, I feel like I put a lot. I'm just gonna sink in. Yeah, I'm just gonna comb my hair really and just leave it out like that. It's brief before I cut it today. Argan oil, stimulating growth oil. And I'm just gonna blow dry it down. It's not looking the best, but I mean I'm gonna be at home all day, so I just need it to look alright. I'll get dressed and then I'll go down, make myself like a hot drink, and then I'll see you guys then, I think. From Boohoo, always Boohoo. I'm trying to get sponsorship from Boohoo, so if any of you knows Boohoo or works at Boohoo, just plug me. If you go on my Instagram, I always have Boohoo stuff on. So most time on my Instagram, what I'm wearing is Boohoo, so I always tag them, hoping that they'll notice me and they sponsor me. But yeah, if you guys know Boohoo, just plug me so I can get sponsorship. That's like one of the stuff in my bucket list. Just flip flops, not I mean sliders, not flip flops. Sorry. New ones, old ones. New ones, old ones. Cup of tea like an Englishman. Yeah, we could get gravy, but we could get like the nice gravy, like chicken gravy, not like the ones you had. I like to go on YouTube in the morning. So in the morning I make myself a drink while I'm charging the laptop, and in the meantime I watch like YouTube on my iPad. Here we go, here we go. Like a new video. How I set goals for the new year. I set any goal this year. Last year I set goals, like I wrote on my iPad and everything. And New Year's Eve I went to check it and I actually didn't do anything of I didn't do anything in the list. So I was like, you know what, maybe like I'm just gonna go with vibes this year. But there's some things in my head I wanna do, but mostly I just wanna live life. Like just got some apples. That's breakfast. I mean breakfast is actually what time, what time is it? It's like 12:30. I went to bed 5:30, so I don't even feel bad. And like, okay, I was playing some game like towards the night, but before that I was editing, so it's not like I was up just doing nothing. So I don't even feel bad.
Some of the process, the working out every day, the eating healthily, the taking steroids, not that bit. And there's too many.
Okay guys, right now it is 12:53 and finish my YouTube video, finish my cup of tea, finish my apples. I think I'm ready. I'm just gonna look for something to do. I'll just be slacking off really, and I've got exams January, so actually I just remembered I need to get the new iPad because I've been wanting to, what do you call it, to get it and review it. So you know what, why not, let's do it. I'm gonna get it 64 gigs Wi-Fi, 569. That's expensive, not gonna lie to you. No engraving. Get it, check out, and we're good then. Yeah, see if I can get some work done, maybe a couple hours before I can chill. I think I'm gonna do some pharmacology lecture today, and I don't know, I'll just give you guys a bit of an insight on how I do it. Like these lectures, I've done them before, so I listened to the lecture recording, then I made questions for them, and then yeah, that was that. So now what I do is I basically try to answer the questions. If I don't know an answer, either I go on Google and I search for the answer, or I go back to the lecture slides and I look for the answer. Hello guys, so I'm currently outside. It's 4 o'clock right now and I'm outside. I'm going to Co-op just to do some shopping. Obviously because I said I'm making a roast, so I've only got chicken at home. I'm making roast with chicken, but I need stuff like roast potatoes, veg and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna go outside and get this, and yeah, I don't want to eat like British stuff, but I don't know. They say like when you roam, act like the Romans. When you're in this place, act like this place. So I'm in the UK. Let me act like the British people. So why not? So guys, I've got my chicken here, nice and brown seasoned, and I've got my potatoes in there. I've got my potatoes, I've got roast veg and Yorkshire pudding, and I'm just gonna add some gravy. And yeah, got my meal here. I've got Modern Family here.
We weren't kidding about you being
That's
careful.
it. Hi guys, this is the end product. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think between this and the waves. Good evening guys. Back to where we started the day, back in the bed. It's been an alright day, to be honest. Like I was happy, but then like they thought of my exam, like because I told you guys I have an exam coming up, and I think it's on the 11th, so in 2 weeks time, and I didn't like deep like for some reason, like I knew it was January, but I just thought it was just like far away, so I thought I had time. But I just deep like it's actually 2 weeks time and I'm nowhere near where I'm supposed to be, and just kind of kill my mood. So like I had a great day all day, I was happy, but right now I'm just like, I don't know, I'm just in this mood. I'm like, but I'm not prepared for it enough. It's just, I don't know, it's not the best, but it is what it is. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and let me know what you guys think about it. And I'm still new to vlogging, but I'm trying to get there, trying to get more natural on camera and everything. But let me know what you guys think, and let me know if you guys like the vlog, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace guys.